If you spent years second guessing yourself, you might start to wonder, can I even trust myself anymore? And the answer is yes. Today, we're going to talk about how to start rebuilding that self-trust. My name's Leslie Christine. I'm an emotional healing and metapsychology coach working with women in midlife so that they can let go of the emotional baggage and really start living life again the way that they want to, from their whole selves and not from the hurts of the past. So let's talk about rebuilding self-trust. The first thing I want you to do is think of a time when you followed your gut and it worked. You followed your intuition and it worked out exactly how you wanted it to work out. That wisdom is still inside of you. We just have to tap back into it. Take a moment in your journal if you can and write about that time and what made you follow the intuition that time. What was it that told you it was the right thing to do? How did you know? You just have to remind yourself of where that intuition lives and how it speaks to you. The next thing I want you to do is start with small, everyday, low risk decisions. Make them quick. Make them from your gut. Let your gut tell you what to do. You will start to get quicker at listening and at following that guidance. Let it be simple things to begin with. What am I going to eat next? Which way should I go? Should I turn here or there? Just let it flow. The next thing I want you to do is start to write down when you have those small wins. Write down when your intuition was right, when you listened to it. Write down what made you listen to it. How did you know that it was right? And how did it work out at the end? You could start with just small things, but you will find that as you start to listen to your intuition and as you start to follow it and trust yourself, you'll start to have bigger and bigger wins. The more you practice, the louder that voice becomes. So tell me, what's one decision that you'll trust yourself on today? And if you'd like to come more into my world, join me over on School in the Living the Game of Life community. Today was day 29 of my 30 days of YouTube challenge. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.